Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on changing the closing system on your Thermomix TM5. Before we dive into the process, let's make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a pair of tweezers for handling small components. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the 5 Phillips screws located at the bottom. Make sure to place these screws in a safe area so you don't lose them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Now we'll focus on the closing system. Locate the latch mechanism, which is typically situated near the top of the unit. Carefully inspect it for any wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's time to replace it. Before proceeding, if you're unsure about the condition of your Thermomix or need a professional assessment, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to get expert advice without any commitment. To remove the latch, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it out from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the latch is free, clean the area with a soft cloth to remove any debris or residue that may have built up over time. This is crucial for the new latch to fit properly and function effectively. Now, take your new closing system latch and position it in the housing. Make sure it's aligned correctly before pressing it into place. You should hear a click, indicating that it's securely fitted. If you don't have the tools or are hesitant to continue, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your Thermomix repaired without any hassle. After installing the new latch, it's important to test the mechanism before reassembling the unit. Manually close the lid to ensure the latch engages properly. This step is vital to confirm that everything is functioning as it should. Once you've verified that the new closing system is working, it's time to reattach the base cover. Align the cover with the unit and replace the 5 screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Lastly, give your Thermomix a thorough cleaning. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the exterior, ensuring it looks as good as new. If you feel uncertain at any stage of the process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect without any surprises. Once everything is reassembled and cleaned, plug in your Thermomix and test it to make sure everything is functioning properly. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the closing system on your Thermomix TM5. This simple yet effective upgrade will improve the longevity and performance of your appliance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.